Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm James and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 Access. Keeping yourself and others current with the constantly changing information in your company is a challenge. SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 introduces new ways to access and share this information and alleviate the burden. With this new dedicated dashboard viewer installed on community monitors, you can now display relevant information to keep everybody up to date with your company's activities. These dashboards are displayed in real time by using the automatic refresh setting. With this, you will never have to manually publish updates again. When you want more in-depth access remotely, use the enhanced plenary web client from your internet browser. With SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020, the Home and Project modules, in addition to expanded capabilities within SOLIDWORKS PDM, are now available. Review your active tasks and update your projects without installing any software. You can even check files in and out and change their state using managed processes so that your work stays in sync with the rest of your team. Use the new dashboard viewer and enhanced plenary web client with SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 to keep everybody up to date and engaged. To summarise the update to SOLIDWORKS Manage Access in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you now have greater control over file history, bills of materials, and list of files to download. SOLIDWORKS 2020. Audit data and access bombs from any device and easily validate file downloads.